What's up everybody, it's 13 with Superior Mobile ByThirteen, and this is Project Bold Rolla, named as such due to the bold design choices that we've made here. A little bit of a hard sell there, but I gotta say thank you so much to Chris for allowing me to see through my vision and get to paint this third J-bar, the color matching beautiful blue of the Corolla. I also painted the shroud, both of those clear inserts, and the reflector, all there gloss black. As you can tell, I have done some addressable LED strips behind the factory diffusers, and I also sandblasted both of the diffusers there, which brought me a lot of joy. It was something that I really wanted to do on the last build, and that just helps make it such an even distribution of light. Even though I did an amazing job with the circuit board design behind the scenes, it still just really makes it nice and perfect and even glow. And when they are in the off position, they definitely match the half-hex halo that I have mounted so precisely underneath the little Corolla hat on the projector. So with all of those elements combined, the sandblasted J-bars, the painted J-bar, the painted accent pieces, and a hex halo, this is one really bad mammy-jammy headlight. And I'm really super pleased with it. And with all the addressable features, we can do fun animations, care of the BlueGhozt module, which is pretty much standard operating procedure for all of my builds. And what I'm really excited about is the fact that I actually get to install these on the car sometime next week. So the video that will be coming shortly after this one will be the installed video, and that's going to be really exciting because I'll be able to showcase the integrated startup and shutdown animations as well as the turn signal animations. So I'm going to keep this video nice and short. Pricing and product information for this particular build will be located in the video description, so if you're interested in a set similar to this for your Corolla, by all means check that out. Also in the video description will be a link to my website, which is where a build request form is located, and that is how you can get into a future work queue. All build requests must be submitted via the form on the website. As always, thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned next week for the installed video of these bad boys. Until then, I will talk to you later. See ya!